Welcome to this video tutorial. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at quick starting a project management task using ProjectLibre. ProjectLibre is open source project management software. Open source means that the source code is free, so you can use it free of charge. In project management, ProjectLibre has most of the features that are available in more expensive products such as Microsoft Project. We will use ProjectLibre to track the process involved in building a single house. I'm gonna click new to open a new project. Project name I can add, for example, ABC House. I can add my name as a manager, RN. I can add a start date here, for example here, January 8th. And if you like, you can add some notes here, then click OK. This is a basic ProjectLibre interface. You will have a name column, that's where you put the tasks, the duration of the task, the time that they are due to start and finish, and a bit of lag, okay, and then there's a column here for predecessors, and we'll have a look at that in a minute. For now, what we need to do is to list the major tasks involved in getting our project to completion. Here I just add some tasks to show how it works. From the experience, the first item can be the earthworking. The next one can be working on footing. The next one can be working on wall framing. Sorry. And I can add the roof framing. These are some of the major tasks that we can add. There are a number of subtasks for the items. We're gonna add these now. We'll click in the row immediately below the task. Sorry, this one. And the easiest way to add subtasks is to go to the task and click insert, like this one. And I have 5 items. One. It has a bit of lag. The next one. And the last one is okay. Now I can delete one because these are 6 items. I need 5 of them, so I delete one. Okay. I've got 5 items to add in here, and I'm gonna head and add, for example here, placing bar chairs, the next one placing slab mesh, placing slab mesh, placing trench mesh, placing trench mesh, adding reinforcement bars, and the last one is pouring concrete. Pouring concrete. Okay. Now these 5 items here all fall underneath the title of footing. So uh, we're gonna indent them. To do this, first I click on the first one and shift clicking on the last one, which is this one. Okay, and I'll click indent. That's the one. Now the thing is, this footing item gets bold, and it is as a major heading. We can collapse these items and expand them like this. And also, there's a black bar here for footing. And again, okay, that's right. By default, ProjectLibre assigned a 1-day duration to each of these tasks. Of course, some of these are going to take a lot longer than a day. Well, we're gonna spend, for example, 2 days for placing bar chairs. First, I click here and click 2 days. For sure, it depends on the scale of the job. And then press enter. For the slab mesh, I add 2 days again. For trench mesh, 1 day. Adding reinforcement, 3 days, and pouring concrete 1 day. So as you can see, the bars are getting red, and also our Gantt chart is starting to take shape. So there is a dependency here. Placing a slab mesh cannot take place until we place the bar chairs there. There are a couple of ways of setting up dependency in ProjectLibre. One of them is clicking in the predecessors column here, and we are saying that we can't place in the slab mesh until placing bar chairs is complete. Because placing bar chairs is in row 3, then we just type 3 in here. So if I click there, 3, okay, and press enter, and the dependency is created for us. This is what is called finish to start dependency. Upon finishing placing bar chairs, we can then start placing slab mesh. The way of creating dependency is just picking up this box for placing slab mesh and dropping it on the placing trench mesh box. So it creates another finish to start dependency, and we can do the same for other boxes. For example, I pick it up and drop it on this box. So we can see the dependencies here in this predecessors column. The fact that these items are now in red is telling us that they are on what is called the critical path. This is the sequence of tasks that add up to the longest overall duration for the project. In other words, once these are complete, the project will be complete. But any change in the time that any of these tasks takes is going to have an effect on when our project is ready. Once you have created your initial project, you can save it back on the file, click save, and then you can save it wherever you want, and then save it as a ProjectLibre file. That's the basic process for creating a very simple Gantt chart and a critical path in ProjectLibre. Thank you for joining me for this video tutorial. Look out for more videos here on my YouTube channel, and consider subscribing my channel where you will be alerted when new videos are released.